Hello. Hi. I'm Master. Oh. And I like to drink Tang. So you can call me Wu-Tang. I am Master, the auto fisher salesman. Yes, not salesman. I know sell fish. I sail for fish. I catch lots of fish. I put on my boat. I bring it to shore.
Mr. Wu-Tang, what country do you come from?
I come from Japan. The high mountains, ancient sister.
So you come from China?
I come from ancient Ceylon. Yes,
so what about this container of fish I bought from the Chinese people?
That's cough. That's garbage. That's pussy ass bullshit.
So you can't beat the Chinese deal?
Chinese got nothing on Master Wu. Master Wu will put Chinese back. I own big building, motherfucker. You own nothing. You own nothing on me. And you got nothing on my power. I chopstick you. Nothing you can do. Come and get some stew from Mr. Wu.